Hey guys, how you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel, Kemari Reaction. How you guys doing? So today guys, I'll be doing another reaction video to a TikTok. So this would be the video's title is Impossible TikTok Try Not to Laugh Challenge. So let's just watch me try to laugh or not to laugh.
I told you we're not buying a dog. You always come at me with it's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank. Please stop. Oh my god.
Where to?
Home. I'm going home.
Woman! I don't know where the fuck you live.
Oh.
You say?
God fucking damn it, Dave.
What was the reason?
I had a reason.
What was the reason?
I had a reason.
What was the reason?
I just explained the reason.
What was the reason?
That was off.
Everybody makes mistakes.
Girl, your lip sync was off.
Roll another blunt.
Like wouldn't be here. Eva, what? It was $45.
We had a test today.
What test?
The hardest question was like you had to add 17 onto 13 and then you had to take 14 away.
And what's the answer?
I got 5.
Was it right?
I don't know. I'll see tomorrow.
It's not right.
Yes, it is. You're lying.
I'm sorry, but it's not.
It's not.
Yeah.
Oh.
What was the question again?
Add 17 onto 13 and then you have to take away 14.
It's 16.
Oh. Then how did I even get 5?
I like your cut, G.
I'm still waiting on the funny. I'm getting there.
Tyler! I took this from you.
It's okay. Are you hungry?
Why aren't you mad at me?
It's okay.
That's so sweet. Keep him.
Hey. Okay, he know what this is, but he don't know I'm finna spray him. Hey yo.
There you go.
He back at it again. Where I've seen this video before.
It's time to go to
Make
the
your money from
doctors.
TikTok.
Fuck! I'm not trying to get a shot.
You have a doctor's appointment.
No! I'm not trying to go. I don't like shots.
You have to go to the doctors.
You ready?
Yeah.
Well, damn.
Black lives matter. No, all lives matter. All lives matter, buddy.
That baby one almost got me.
I absolutely hate angry reactions.
What?
Of course I'm joking with you. Angry Reactions or Anaya Johnson is one of the most positive people I've come across on TikTok. So if you need to be uplifted, inspired, or just want to laugh, then I tell you to go check out this incredible account.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, baby. Oh, shit.
He almost got me.
What is it? A pen! Speak up, I can't hear you! Why do you not have a pen during my lesson? Look, come prepared. That's my favorite one. No. Listen, bring this straight back. I don't want to hear any stories. My mother passed that down to me from my brother to my sister to my auntie to my uncle.
Okay, that was good.
No!
Very overdramatic, but good.
I caught a seagull.
Oh my god, let it go.
Donald Trump is a literal demon from hell!
Oh my gosh. Wow.
Holy shit.
Happens sometimes. When you do them stretch, oh, he let all that out. My camera ever again. Why did he zoom like that?
Alright, hold on. Yeah, see, you can do it. Not that fast, though. Keep it going. Dude, imagine the speed. Oh my god! Let me see.
Personal vibrator?
Abunda la caca!
Excuse me, sweet angel? Hello!
Some deodorant. Oh, it's so cold. What's this bunny? It's silly me. Oh, no. I'm spraying deodorant. I didn't even know. Goodness gracious.
She's gorgeous. Normal children versus Russian. Oh my god.
Опачки. You are my best friend. My only best friend. You make me happy, best friend. My guys are best friend.
Supposedly, this filter reveals the one thing that you will never have. Bro, that's so cold.
Well, it didn't lie. That is exactly how they be like, why we taking a test.
The 10th video in your camera roll is the reason your parents are disappointed in you. I agree with them.
Another one of my brothers is getting a fresh cut.
Come on, bathroom space.
Let's go.
Someone that had to pull out of retirement.
Oh yeah.
Every time
Y'all almost finished? Alright, I'ma just chill in here for a sec.
Last 4 years, I've watched this my most cherished value.
He done yet? Yeah. Alright, let me check it out. Let me look. Ooh, I like your cut, Jeep. Ah.
It was a good one, Daquan. It was a good one. Ladies cave. You're worried. You're only. You're my only. Oh, she's back again.
Yes, where's the soap? Okay. Okay, okay. Oh, that's enough!
Yeah. It's Grandma. It's Grandma on the phone. Oh no, yeah, she'd love to talk. No, yeah, she's here. She's here. No, yeah, here we go. Here we go. Hi, Grandma. I miss you too.
I was confused because the title said impossible TikTok try not to laugh challenge. But I guess comedies, it depends on who you are as a person. But okay, thanks to the person who recommended me to react to that. Okay, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section and get to it as soon as possible. Always, who can do you besides you? Try to be funny on TikTok. Bye!